The question is, a wooden toy is made by scooping out of hemisphere of same radius as of the cylinder from each end of a wooden solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter and the base of the radius is 7 centimeter, find the total surface area of the toy. So, a wooden toy is made by a scooping of hemisphere of the same radius from each end of the solid cylinder. So we have a solid cylinder. We have a solid cylinder of radius 7 centimeter and the height is 20 centimeter. We need to scoop it out in the both two ends. Then we will need to find the total surface area of the toy. So here radius R is equal to 7 centimeter and height is equal to 20 centimeter. Here we need to find the CSA of cylinder and CSA of hemisphere. We know the formula CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h and CSA of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Now we need to find the total surface area of toy. That's equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. That's equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 into pi r square. For easy solving, we will take 2 pi r as common. That's equal to 2 pi r into h plus 2r. We know that r is equal to 7 centimeter and h is equal to 20 centimeter. Substitute these values. That's equal to 2 pi into 7 into h is 20 plus 2 into 7. That's equal to 14 pi into 20 plus 14. 14 into pi, value of pi is 22 by 7 into 34. Here this will cancel 2. That's equal to 44 into 34. That's equal to 1496 centimeter square. Unit is a must. Hence, the total surface area of toy is equal to 1496 centimeter square. That's all in this video, dear children. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.